I was 308 pounds at my heaviest. I have struggled with weight my entire life. I was always known as the big girl with the pretty face. You know, people didn't say, oh, you look nice. They're, oh, you have such a pretty face. With the Zumba Fitness program, I have lost a total of 156 pounds. I went from a size 24 to a size 4. Not only did it change my body and the way I feel, but it changed my life. I found that this was the one thing that I could stick to and that I enjoyed and that I could do for a lifetime. With the Zumba DVDs, I could be at home doing my own thing and enjoying it at my own pace. So if I did get tired and I needed to sit down, I wasn't embarrassed to do so. With Zumba Fitness, it's the easiest exercise you will do. You do not have to be a dancer. You don't have to have a dance background. I'm telling you, if you can do this, you need to pick up the phone, get off your butt, and do Zumba Fitness, because I was a size 24. So if I can get up and move at 300 pounds, then I know you can do it too. So make the choice and move.